I am going to discuss one question that has been taken from chapter 4, Determinants NCERT 12 Mathematics. That question is question number 12, exercise 4.2 equal to prove that date. Elements of first row I have written 1x x square. The elements of second row I have written x square 1x. The elements of third row I have written x square 1 equal to in bracket 1 minus x cube का whole square. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Solution implies that let date equal to opening of vertical line I have done here. The elements of first row will be 1x square. The elements of second row will be x square 1x. The elements of third row will be x square 1. Here you can see in this date elements of first row is 1x square. Here you can see elements of second row is x square 1x. The elements of third row is x square 1. Here in the right hand side you can see 1 minus x cube is there. So here I shall factorize 1 minus x cube. So here you can write 1 cube minus x cube, you can write very well. So here when you factorize 1 minus x cube, you can write it 1 cube minus x cube. This is the formula. Based on the formula, you can factorize the term 1 minus x cube as in one bracket you will write 1 minus x. In another bracket you can write 1 chi square plus x chi square plus x. Here you can see this term 1 plus x square plus x is there. So here I shall use the properties in this determinant so I get 1 plus x square plus x. So here I shall write the property by using the property C1 goes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. This property I shall use C1 goes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So here date will become date equal to, here it says C1 goes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Here it is written C1 goes to. This means that only changes will occur in the first column. There will be no changes in second column and third column. That's why second column and third column I shall write as it is. Here write second column I am going to write here x 1 x square. The third column I am going to write here x square x 1. And By using this property, you will get C1 goes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So here I shall write C1 goes to if I take the element of C1 as 1, so here write 1 plus for C2 I shall refer second column. The corresponding element of 1 in the second column is X. So here write X plus for C3 I shall refer here third column. The corresponding element of 1 in the third column is X square. So here write X square. So here you have got, in place of 1 I shall write 1 plus X square. So here write 1 plus X square I shall write. Again, for the element X square, here write C1 goes to, if I take the element of C1 as X square, so here write X square plus for C2 I shall refer here second column. The corresponding element of X square in the second column is 1. So here write 1 plus for C3 I shall refer here third column. The corresponding element of X square in the third column is X. So here write X. In place of X square I shall write X square plus 1 plus X. So here write same thing, 1 plus X square I shall write. And again C1 goes to, if I take the element of C1 as X, this X, so here write X plus is there, right? For C2 I shall refer here second column. The corresponding element of X in the second column is X square. So here write X square plus is there, right? Plus is. For C3 I shall refer third column. The corresponding element of X in the third column is 1. So here write 1. So this thing I can write 1 plus X square. So here write 1 plus X square I shall write. This one will be written, this one will be written, and this one will be written. Here you can see in the new date formed here, the elements of first column is the same, 1 plus X square, 1 plus X square, 1 plus X square. Here you can see in the new date formed here, the elements of first column is the same. Then you can take easily common as 1 plus X square from first column. So here I shall write, I am taking out 1 plus X square as common from C1. From C1. A new date will be, if I take 1 plus X square as a common from first column, result will be, here write 1 plus X square This term has been taken as a common from the date. The date will be, here write 1. The elements of first row will be 1 x square. The elements of second row will be 1 x. The elements of third row will be 1 x square 1. This thing you will get. Here you can see in this date, first column, the elements of first column is the same, that is 1. So here I shall use the property. Let us, what property I am going to use here. Here I shall use the property by using the property R2 goes to R2 minus R1 and R3 goes to R3 minus R1. This property I shall use in this date by using the property R2 goes to R2 minus R1 and R3 goes to R3 minus R1. This property I shall use here. Date will be date equal to 1 plus x square dot. Here you can see R2 goes to. This means that changes will occur only in the second row. And here you can see R3 goes to. This means that changes will only occur in the third row. There will be no change in the first row. So here I shall write first row as it is. 1 x square I shall write. What changes will occur in the second row? Let us see. Here it says R2 goes to R2 minus R1. So here I am going to elaborate. Just this is simple. You can do here verbally by discussing itself. Here it says R2 goes to R2 minus R1. If I take the element of R2 as 1 minus R1, the corresponding element of 1 in the first row is 1. So 1 minus 1 comes out to here 0. And if I take the element of R2 as 1 minus for R1, I shall refer here first row. The corresponding element of 1 in the first row is x. So here write 1 minus x. And here you can see, if I take the element of R2 as x, for R1 I shall refer here first row. The corresponding element of x in the first row is x square. So here write x minus x square it will become. And for R3 goes to, this means that changes will occur only in the third row. R3 goes to R3 minus R1. If I take the element of R3 as 1 minus R1, the corresponding element of 1 in the first row is 1. So 1 minus 1 comes out to here 0. And here, if I take the element of R3 as x square minus for R1 I shall take the corresponding element as x. So here I shall write x square minus x. And here you can see, if I take the element of R3 as 1, then the corresponding element of 1 in the first row is x square. So here write 1 minus x square. This thing will get here. Now you can easily expand this date as per first column, because the first column has the maximum number of zeros, that is 2. So here I shall expand this date along first column. So here I shall write on expanding date along C1. So here I am going to draw a vertical line here. So here I shall write the same thing as given here. Date equal to 1 plus x square I shall write in bracket. Opening of vertical line I shall do here. The elements of first row will be 1 x square. The elements of second row will be 0, 1 minus x minus x square. The elements of third row will be 0, x square minus x, 1 minus x square. On expanding date along C1, on expanding date along C1, you will get, here I shall write date equal to, same thing will be written here, 1 plus x square will be written like this, and here open here curly bracket. Here first column is known as C1. So here you know the sign, mathematical sign here, plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. So here I shall write plus 1. Plus 1 will be written in bracket, and for this one I shall write here plus 1. Now you have to get the minor of plus 1 here. Here write V bracket, that is circle bracket, square bracket, that is this one is square bracket. So here open curly bracket. So here you can see plus 1, that is constant here. This plus 1 I have written from this place, plus 1. Now you have to get the minor of plus 1 here. Since here 1 is there in the first row, the first row will be hidden, and 1 is there in the first column. The first column and first row will be hidden. You will can get easily the minor of 1 as 1 minus x minus x square minus x, 1 minus x square. Now in this case the elements of principal diagonal will be multiplied together. So here I shall write 1 minus x, here I shall write 1 minus x square. Here again write minus, and then the elements of reverse diagonal will multiply together. So here multiply x minus x square, and again multiply x square minus x. Curly bracket will be closed like this. Now do the operation here. What we'll do here? Here I shall write det equal to 1 plus x square will be written like this, and here open here will bracket plus 1 will multiply together, we get here only 1, and here multiply this term to this term. So this term will be multiplied. So you will multiply 1 minus x square. Here write minus. Same term I have written 1 minus x square, 1 minus x I have written. Here minus is there. Here write x minus x square dot x square minus x I shall write. Here open like this. Now what we'll do next? Det equal to 1 plus x square I shall write, and here write this one will multiply together, we'll get here only 1, and 1 will multiply to minus x, here you will get minus x, and minus x square will multiply to 1, will get here minus x square, and minus x square multiply together will get here plus x cube, minus right here, open here small bracket. This one x will multiply to x square, here we will get x cube minus x square will multiply to x square, we will get here minus x ke power 4, and minus x will multiply to x, so here we will get minus x square, and minus x square will multiply to minus x, you will get here plus x cube. This thing you will get. Now elaborate this thing, you will get here det equal to 1 plus x square, you will get here you will get 1 minus x square plus x cube minus x cube plus x ke power 4 plus x square minus x cube. This thing you will get. Now here you can see minus x square plus x square. This will be cancelled out. Here you can see plus x cube minus x cube. This will be cancelled out. And here you can see, just tell me 1 minute, minus x cube plus minus. Okay. So now you have got minus x square plus x square has been cancelled out, plus x cube minus x cube has been cancelled out. So you have got here this one. So here I shall write det equal to 1 plus x square you will get, and open here again square bracket, here write 1 minus x cube, this is x cube plus x ke power 4, this thing you will get. 1 minus x minus x cube plus x power 4 you will get. What to do next? Next I shall write det equal to 1 plus x cube x square, this is x square, here write this one 1 minus x, right here 1 minus x. Here take minus x cube as a common. So here take minus x cube as a common. This thing can be written as in bracket. 1 minus x can be written in bracket. Minus x cube I shall take here common. So here we will get 1 minus x will get minus x cube plus x power 4 will get. So here we will get easily date equal to 1 plus x square. Again here you will get, open here square bracket, this is square bracket I am going to open here, dot is there, open here square bracket. So here you will get 1 minus x in one bracket, in another bracket 1 will get, this thing will get. Now what we will do here next date equal to, this term if you take 1 plus x square plus 1 plus x square dot 1 minus x. So use this formula. So here we will get easily, here you will get easily, if you do the operation here, this term and this term will be conjugated together. This term will be conjugated together. So we will get the formula as 1 minus x cube, because 1 minus x, here you can see 1 minus x is there, where this term is the same as here it is written. So you get this term. So here I can write 1 minus x cube in one bracket, in another bracket 1 minus x cube. You will get as 1 minus x cube का whole square will get. So this thing I have proved here, date equal to 1 minus x cube का whole square. You have get same thing you have got here as in given in the RHS here. So here I shall write equal to RHS. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 12, exercise 4.2, chapter 4, determinants in CRT 12 mathematics. Okay guys, thanks. This is the rough work. You can enclose this one in the box. After that you can draw a line here. So this is the rough work I have done here, and this is the question about which I have given complete explanation.